Oh my god, 안 돼, 안 돼, 안 돼. Oh no, 어떡해.
Hi everyone. Today we're gonna make potato pancakes. Potato pancake Korean people eat often. Also, I heard in Poland they have also potato pancakes too. So where my in-laws families came from, Poland. My mother-in-law makes same thing, so I was kind of surprised, but very simple, again, easy, quick. So we only need potatoes and onion and some salt and 1 tablespoon of flour. I'm going to use 3 big potatoes. I only gonna use maybe 1/4. I'm sorry, onion. Okay, I'm gonna cry now. So I'm going to use maybe 1/4 of this much. So, and then let's ground it. Oh, this onion is killing me. Oh. Water is coming down. Now you can see the water and then bottom, little bit of starch in the bottom. I don't know you can see it, but I'm going to throw it away on the top of the water here and then leave it in the only white starch part, which is potato starch. Now you can see this white part here. I'm going to use this part. When you make a more potato, you will see more. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of flour. Then mix. And then this is it. And then we're gonna make a pancake. 1, 2. Some leaves, make a decoration a little bit, and turn down a little more. Flip over. Oh God, okay. I think we failed. This is not good example. I put some leaves here, pepper, whatever you have. You can put what is that? What is that? What is that? The parsley. You can put parsley leaves. Hold it. I failed again. I gotta make this time, okay? Okay. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! 안 돼, 안 돼, 안 돼! Oh no! 어떡해! Ay, ay, ay. Okay. So hot. Last chance. I made it. Yeah, so I mean, you don't have to scream at your kitchen, but I did. I'm going to make dipping sauce. That's it. Okay, now you can eat with the pancake and then dipping sauce. We're all set.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Enjoy the meal. It's good. 맛있어요. It's really yummy. It's good. Just you can definitely will try, okay? You should try it. It's totally worth it. You're not gonna regret this. Enjoy the meal. Bye.